Well, I'm a huge fan of history. I think history is, I think people should know their history. And at the same time, I hate history because if you know too much history, you can't, the pressure is too big because you're nothing. What I love about Northern America is that there's less history than in Europe, but people are more free. It's a cliche. I love cliches. I will say cliche 15 times in this interview. I love them because most of the time they're completely right. They're not, but it's North America is more free because there's less history. At the same time, because there's less history, maybe, well, you know what I mean. It's history is very important, but I think it's very important to know it, but then to forget. If you don't forget, like in France, we can't really forget history because we're constantly reminded that we have great history. Victor Hugo, La Tour Eiffel. I mean, how can people really create something when you walk in the street and you see Le Panthéon, Notre Dame? My opinion is that actually Paris is a very stressful city for creators, for artists. I guess there's great art in Paris, but I don't know how they get rid of the Tour Eiffel. Like, you're nothing. You will never do something that even like, you know, when you see Notre Dame, it's like you're nothing. So that's one of the reasons I'm happy to be here too, because you're freer, more free.